Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and everyone should have a beautiful, useful chopping block at their disposal. This is an organic bamboo chopping block by SOULFINO, and it is simply gorgeous. I love not only the look of it, it looks so nice on our kitchen island, but I also just appreciate the size. It is 17 by 13 inches. It is great for chopping all sorts of meat with the lip on the edge to catch any juices. It's great for cutting up salads. It is great for filling any of your sous chef needs. Again, if there's any juice, the lip is going to catch it. What my husband loved about it is that he was able to cut up to 6 potatoes and easily push each one to the side and have room to cut the next. And it cleans so nicely. Disinfect it and dry it. You can see how it looks just as good as new. I love the feel and the look of the grain of the bamboo. It is just so beautiful. It is 1.5 inches thick, and it has very useful grooves on the side that make it easy to grab a hold of if you're wanting to serve any snacks or treats for your guests. This is an absolute must-have for your kitchen. It is beautiful and gets the job done. And definitely adds something special to our kitchen. And that's my point of view.